Welcome to a video tour of our website editor. This is a very simple drag and drop website editing tool. Here we are on the initial page that you'll see when you log in. When you're on the build section, you have all of these widgets available and you can bring them into the editor simply by dragging them. So if we wanted to drag a new text box, we could. We can also rearrange easily. And then as far as editing, you could just click in the box and you can start editing. Very easy to do. Here on this home page, we have a big background image, and you can edit this, and you could make it an image. You could make it a color and text like we have here. You can also make it video, and this is the same as color. There's another option for a slideshow, which we'll show you in a minute. So you can do image, color and text, video, and then slideshow, which happens in a slightly different way. So very easy to edit these. You can even change the order of these large sections. So if we wanted to move this image up, we could do so. So that's how you rearrange sections. More typical content will look like this. And again, you can drag and drop to rearrange the order of things. And if you want to add any new features, you simply make sure you're on the build page and drag over the new item. Here's an example of a button. It's very easy to add the text, and then you can choose if this is a link to a website page, a page on the website, upload a file, email, so a lot of options, and that's how all links work. So here's a text link. We click link, and we have the same options, a website address, a page on this website, upload a file, email address, or phone number. So very easy to create links. You can also do that with photos. Here's the footer. The footer's on every page. You simply click in the footer, and just like everything else, you can edit. And when you click save, you're saving that to the footer on every page. So that makes things easier for you and saves you a lot of time. Let's take a look at the header. A lot of people don't believe how easy it is to adjust the header. That's actually under your control. When we go to pages, we see these pages. And let's say we want Faith to appear before About Us. We simply drag it, and there's Faith above About Us. Let's say we want News and Events to move to under About Us. We just drag it, and now it's going to be part of the drop-down menu. So very easy to rearrange your navigation menu. This is all under your control. And this is how you add a new page. You just click New Page, and then there it is, and you can put it wherever you want. So let's put it under About Us. And we'll just start building our new page. Grab a text box here. Maybe we'll make this a little larger. Provide a divider. More text here. Very common option would be then to grab an image. And when you click this button, you can drag an image from your computer. Or you can also click upload to search for an image on your computer. So very easy to add images. Maybe after you add your text and image, you want a nice divider. And you could have more text. You could drag in another image. So very easy to rearrange your page content. Let's take a look at that slideshow I mentioned. This is an example. When you want a slideshow, you just change your header type from normal to slider. And then here you have a slideshow, and you can add photos. You can rearrange them or delete them. This is a big slideshow like you would have on the home page of your website. If you just wanted a slideshow inside of a page, you would use the slideshow widget. Let's take a look at a gallery. You can also do galleries. Here's a nice photo gallery. Again, you click on it to edit and rearrange. And gal gallery is also one of the widgets on the side of the page. YouTube widget, that works really well. I'll show you how that works. You can grab YouTube, and then all you need to do is paste in your YouTube URL, and then it appears here. Very easy to manage YouTube pages. Here we have some social media links. You can add in others and you just paste in your link here. You can remove this if you want, but we start our sites with a search box up here. This is the logo. You can delete it and re-upload it. We often help you with that from the very beginning. Here's a contact us page. This is an example of a form inside the website. These are easy to edit. Once you click on it, you get new form tools, and you can also edit the email address. You can also do comma separated values to send this to more than one email address. And again, your own controls over here to edit the form. And you can also click here to view any previous entries. Let's see, we did gallery. Here's an example academics page. Here we already have text and an image. Very easy to rearrange. Let's say we want to move the text to the other side. We do that. So this is just an example of how you can rearrange things. And now we've gone back to two columns. Here's an example athletics page. Let's say we have more contact. We might do a divider and bring more text down here. Lots of other widgets included. Here's embed code. This works really well if you have third-party code. Maybe you have a third-party tool that gave you embed code. You would just paste it in here. And while we're talking about embed code, you also have a way to embed code in the header and the footer. So sometimes you might have your own special analytics tool, or again, any third-party software you already use. If they give you embed code, you can enter it here for every page. You can also enter it the way I showed you, and each page has its own access to code areas if you want. So a lot of options for you to integrate. A lot of people also ask about linking to their calendars or donation tools or grade management. Again, if there's embed code, you can use that. Another option is you click external page and you would name it, and maybe you would say grades, and then you'd provide the link for your gradebook management tool or your tuition management, and then that would appear wherever you put it in the navigation menu. So if you put grades under academics, it moves there. And again, this is an external link, so you can easily link to all of your third-party resources. Also in settings, you can work on SEO if you want to do search engine optimization work, and a few other setting options for you. But for the most part, you'll be using build and pages. It's easy to navigate from the pages area, and then you go to build to get all of your tools. And again, if you want a new page, very simple, you just click new page and you can choose a standard page, external page, and non-clickable link. That's what we see here. That makes About Us simply something that provides a drop-down menu. So in this case, About Us is not clickable. You have to choose. So that's what a non-clickable menu item is. We have other video tutorials once you're a customer to help you. And of course, your monthly fee includes phone, email, and text support for technical support. So we are here to help you if you get stuck and here to help you with those third-party tool integrations. This is just a quick overview to show you that it is a drag and drop editor. It is easy to edit and it's very easy to control the pages and the navigation menu. You can also hide pages, and there's other tutorials on password protection as well. But you can hide a page as a quick way to work on a page that you don't want visible yet. So again, more tutorials available. This is just to give you a brief overview of how the editor works. Thanks so much.